ये सारी डिस्कशन हमारी सुन रहे हैं, आपका इसके ऊपर क्या कहना है? ये कह रहे हैं कि लोगों की डिमांड थी, लोग अगर आप 3 लाख की पॉपुलेशन को करते हैं तो आप 1 करोड़ 60 लाख पॉपुलेशन को कैसे निग्लेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, I would like to say, Mr. नीरज, जो आपका जो आर्ग्यूमेंट है, that's based on false premises. Article 370 was not temporary. The accession of Jammu and Kashmir state to India was temporary. And Indian government has not abrogated Article 370 because they cannot. They have rendered it inoperative. अगर आप उसको लीगली देखें, आर्टिकल 370 को उन्होंने इनऑपरेटिव किया because they don't have powers. Indian Parliament does not have powers to abrogate Article 370. If they abrogate Article 370, Jammu and Kashmir ceases to be part of India. So this is the lead. And second, आप वो उसको कह रहे हैं कि लद्दाख का कल्चर अलग है कश्मीर से, right? But लद्दाख का कल्चर then it is more close. It is closer to Tibetan culture. So Indian government has opened a door for China to intervene. Indian government cannot blame anybody else other than itself, because when the border was the border between India and China, it is undemarcated. So and when India unilaterally changed the status of that place, so that's why that gave China an opening to intervene. And then besides that, India has been, because another thing which I think Indian media forgets to point out, it has been India aligning with Trump administration in the US, going around all over the world in every different forum, trying to accuse China of spreading virus. And that's a big factor. I mean, it's not just 800. You said that the border between India and China is 800 kilometers. The total border between India and China is 2,500 kilometers. And the dispute is not only in the Ladakh sector. The disputed border is also on the east. So it's because the Indian government, the major blame is on the Indian government when they unilaterally change the status of the state.
बिल्कुल सर, मेरा भी यही इसमें पॉइंट था। मैं जो है ब्रिगेडियर साहब की तरफ आना चाहूंगी। ब्रिगेडियर साहब, अगर आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? महमूद साहब, आप सुन पा रहे हैं?
उनका माइक ऑफ है,
आई थिंक। जी चले, मैं सर आपसे मैं जानना चाहूंगी कि दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी आपसे ही मैं करना चाहूंगी कि जो हमारे जितने भी जो स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, उसमें पॉलिटिकल जो हमारी पार्टीज आ गई, या इसमें जो है अभी पाकिस्तान है, या हम जो इसमें चाइना इन्वॉल्व हुआ है, आप क्या समझते हैं कि इन फ्यूचर इसका क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा हमारे जो स्टेट का जो ये पूरा डिस्प्यूट है इसके ऊपर, और जो हमारी फैमिलीज जो जी
हाँ, तो the fundamental problem जो है वो प्रॉब्लम है कश्मीर, द स्टेटस ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। जम्मू एंड कश्मीर को सेटल कीजिए। All these stakeholders, they should settle the issue of Jammu and Kashmir. It's a disputed status. Whether somebody agrees or not, the status of Jammu and Kashmir is disputed. So it needs to be settled. Only then there can be any kind of peace, prosperity, everything will come. Just if I may take just a few seconds to say. So in 2006, the agreement between General Musharraf and Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, they were about to reach an agreement. So
Vajpayee साहब थे
no,
शायद.
not Vajpayee. It was Manmohan Singh under
Okay.
Manmohan Singh, and that agreement was based on the premise that there should not be no border between two Kashmirs. So that was based on that the status of the land cannot be changed now. So it would be just to render border meaningless. So same ways, same that is something that can be the basis of. But I doubt if under the current Indian government anything can happen.